Namaskar, Namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I am SHYAMASREE. You know by the title, so today I will teach you with whatever knowledge I have, I will teach you how to apply, how and where to apply your blush, your highlighter and your contour. Okay, so we will first start with the contour. I will not show you how to contour the whole face because for that you can go and check the playlist, Durga Puja playlist I will be linking above. You can check it there for much more detail. Okay, I will just show you where are these three things, the highlighter, blush and the contour are placed. So this is basically for more of beginners because it gets pretty tough when it comes to placing these three things correctly on your face. What we do is we apply contour. So I do it like that way. So first I use contour, then blush, then highlighter. So for contouring you have to suck in your cheeks like this. So when you suck in this cheek, you get a hollow place over here. Okay, just here. You have to press and feel it. When you feel the hollowness over here, that is actually the place where you should use your contour. So I will take my usual Bahama Mama bronzer. If you don't want to buy this, I have two more options. One I have used in my previous video. I will show you, I will give you the link above. You do check, and I have shown how to use the brown shade of Maybelline Nudes palette for contour. Okay, I was just using that. You can use this Miss Claire eyeshadow. It's a Miss Claire eyeshadow in 0209. So you will get this also, and your contour shouldn't be coming till here, till your lips. It should be ending right here. Okay, maybe 2 fingers away. Yeah, it's actually 2 fingers away from your lips, where your lips end, the corner. And we have to go upwards, not like this. Just tilt it like this and go upwards. If you do with me, you can feel after this, you feel something which is a bit bumpy over here. Okay, just above your contour. This is the place where you should apply your blush. I will see myself on the camera, okay, more. So don't mind that. Use this kind of stippling. I use sometimes stippling brush, sometimes blush brush or any fluffy kind of brush. So I will show you with this.
And just tap it.
Those who have oval shape or round shape face, if they take too much on this, it looks more, chubbier. So if you lift it up, like I will be doing like this, okay, in same way the way I have done my contour. So this will lift your face up. Smile a little bit so that this goes up and you can basically identify the place you want to place the blush. So see, there is no blush, there is blush. If you want, you can put a little more. And then after applying it here, whatever is left, little bit, take it little bit here. Most of the product will be on this side. Okay, little bit of product you can apply here. Blend it like this if you think if you have applied too much. In that way everything will be seamless. Now comes the highlighter part. Where should you apply your highlighter? Just above the place where you have applied your blush. So where your contour is here, your blush is here, your highlighter should be just here. Again, if you touch here, you can see a bone, which is high points. We say high points of your cheeks, but you cannot take your highlight inside your eyes. So be very careful about it. you should be very light-handed with your highlighter and be very careful about it. Okay, so I will take my MAC highlighter today, and I will just, you can use either this kind of small brush, eyeshadow fluffy brush, you can use it with that as well, and you can also use a fan brush like this. Okay, so okay, let me use fan brush today for you. You have seen me doing with that brush. So I will take the fan brush like this. You don't have to buy this separately, but make sure your brush is small in size. If you take a fluffy brush, in that way your highlighter will spread everywhere, which doesn't look good. Okay, just above my blush. So I'm applying it little more so that it is visible on camera. Okay, here your highlighter should be. This is the place. And then after everything is done, you can take your blending brush and you can just a fluffy brush and then just blend everything. Now if you can see, this is where we have done our contour. Above that, on this area, actually where your cheeks are, here you should be applying your blush, and on top of that, if you see this haddi over here, you have to apply your highlighter here, and be very careful that you are not crossing this line. I mean, your under eye should be untouched. Once you do this, if the highlighter goes in here, then it looks awful. So I will do this one and you can just revise see and revise where I have applied. This is a Miss Claire one.
It's very pigmented.
It's very pigmented, guys, so be very careful. I just didn't understand it's so pigmented. So I hope this helps a little bit who are confused, and if it does, do let me know in the comment section that whether the whole concept is clear or not. If I in near future, if I get chance, I will try to do more detailed version of how to apply blush and everything for a square face and for oval face and for golla face. So do but more or less this is the technique, this is the way you should do, so that it looks more uplifted, your face looks uplifted. So yes, I hope it helps, and please do subscribe to my channel as well, and also the bell button so that you are notified, and I will see you next Tuesday with another tutorial. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life. Live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care.